Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling voice and confirming your hardware. Open Tf2, turn on voice chat, then assign a push-to-talk key so you control when you speak. Once done, check Steam's voice settings to verify input level and test microphone audio. Make sure Windows Privacy grants mic access, and set your default recording device. These first steps get you into the game ready to use Tf2 built-in voice commands without third-party tools. You now learn how to execute the in-game voice commands efficiently. Press your voice menu key to open categories, then choose team or general commands for callouts like enemy locations or retreats. Once comfortable, bind frequently used voice lines directly to keys so you can issue them instantly in fights. Make sure to practice timing. Short, clear calls are heard better. This method keeps communication consistent and works in all official Tf2 matches without extra software. Finish by optimizing levels and preparing for problems. Set voice volume and muffling in Tf2 so teammates hear you at the right distance, and prefer push-to-talk to prevent ambient noise. If your mic isn't transmitting, verify Steam's voice input, Windows microphone permissions, and that the correct device is selected. Restart Tf2 or Steam after changes. If issues persist, rebind the voice key or test using Steam's microphone test. This single troubleshooting step fixes most connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.